Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new DDPs, and it is totally wireless thanks to the S-Wave, and it can trail click directly to it, and it fits universally any type or any size of back box, either American or UK or European, German, etc. It has the menu done in a very simple way on the top, so it's very easy for people to know that this is different than the normal button, and in this case they can control as they like their devices in a very simple way. Also, it has LED around it that can be changed to with intensity, or it can be changed to different color like red, green, blue, etc. The DDPs also, it has motion sensor, lux sensor, infrared receiver, and infrared emitters, and it has also a clapper where when you clap it can switch on and off any mood or light, etc. that you like. Thank you very much.